Hello, early explorers, and welcome to another week of activities. This month our theme is water. We have several fun activities for you to do. Just click on the links below the video to see each activity. These activities are designed for children and adults to do together, and they're aimed at kids 5 and under, but you can adapt them to any ages. So this week's craft activity is making a collage of plants and animals that live in or near the water. You will need some blank paper, some glue or tape, scissors, and something to draw with, like colored pencils. You can also use paint, tissue paper, yarn, or any other craft supplies you have. This week's sensory activity is painting a paper towel, so to explore the colors and the patterns. You will need a paper towel and some paint and a paintbrush. If you don't have a paintbrush, you can also use Q-tips. We have 2 explorations for you this week. One is a water bingo game, so you can go around inside and outside and look for different objects related to water. We also have a water scavenger hunt where you can look for signs of spring all around you. If you do any of these activities, we'd love to see your photos or videos. You can share them on Facebook or through the email that's linked below. We'll have more activities next week, so check back soon. Be curious and have fun exploring water.